Hi everyone, I'm Jackie and I work for a company in China that makes fire damper. You know, those things that help keep buildings safe from fire. At Fengxing, we make sure our fire damper are really good at what they do. They are strong, easy to use, and very important, keeping people safe. Our team work harder to make the best products. We wanted to help make sure that every building is as safe as possible. And while safety is super important, also we try to make our work fun and interesting. So if your business needs the fire damper, or if you want to learn more about the dampers, we are here to help. Let's work together to make buildings safer. Thank you for watching. Take care.